All-party Hurriyat Conference paid glowing tributes to the martyrs of the Ali Kadal Srinagar on their 31st martyrdom anniversary, honoring their sacrifices in the struggle for Kashmiris' right to self-determination. On this day in 1992, Indian forces martyred prominent young resistance leader Sheikh Abdul Hamid and his associates including Mushtaq Ahmad Lone, Advocate Jamil Chaudhry, Fayaz Ahmad Sheikh, Mushtaq Ahmad Kote, Ghulam Nabi Ahmad, Manzoor Ahmad Khan, Farooq Ahmad Dar, Ghulam Nabi Butt and Parvez Bulla at Ali Kadal in Srinagar. Police conducted raids at the multiple locations in South Kashmir's Avantipura Pulwama district in connection with the fake cases registered under Draconian Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Two such raids were carried out at the residences of the advocate Ghulam Nabi Shaheen in Khanka Medora and Muhammad Jahangir Ahangar in Dadasara in the district. Senior All-Party Hurriyat Conference leader Mirwais Umar Farooq has emphasized that dialogue is the only viable path to resolving the Kashmir dispute. Speaking to media at the Lal Chowk, Srinagar, Mirwais emphasized that the policy of repression cannot resolve the conflicts and reiterated that dialogue is the only way forward. Students under the banner of the Gujjar Bakalwa Students Alliance staged a protest at the Jammu University opposing the inclusion of the non-locals in the recruitment processes meant for the Kashmiri native, scheduled tribes and the scheduled castes. Tensions erupted in West Bengal's Murshidabad district over the weekend after an Islamophobic signboard was displayed at the local Durga Puja Pandal, sparking communal violence. Offensive message on the signboard, which was directed at the Islam, led to widespread outrage and violence as the clashes broke out between two groups from different communities.